Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. In this video, I will show you how to get approved for the Citi Strata Premium Card in 2025. So first of all, you will have to open your web browser and here in the search bar, you need to simply search for Citi Strata Premium. Now once you search for it, you will find the first link of this particular card. So you will have to simply click on it and then you will be landed on this page. Now over here, there are some of the things that you need to keep in mind, and these things are actually going to boost your chances of getting approved. Now first of all, you need to aim for a score of 700 or higher, while there are some get approved in the high of 600s. A good to excellent score gives you the best shot, so you should have a credit score of at least 700 plus. Now if we talk about the income sources, so Citi doesn't list a specific income requirement. You will want to show reliable income, ideally $50,000 plus annually, depending on your existing debt. Now you need to keep your credit card balance under 30% of your total limit. The lower the better. If you have applied for several cards recently, you need to wait for a few months before actually applying. Citi tends to be sensitive too many new accounts or inquiries. No recent bankruptcies, late payments or charge-offs should be there. So Citi value responsible behavior, so you need to just keep these things in mind. Here is the pro tip that if you have a Citi card, your approval odds improve, so you might even get a pre-approved offer in your online account. So make sure you check that as well. So by keeping all of these points intact and in your mind, you will be able to get approved for Citi Strata Premium in 2025. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe it with someone thinking of applying, and subscribe for more quick credit tips. Thanks for watching.